Hello, my name is Mike, and this is my desk.
Hi, my name is Kyo, and this is my desk.
Hi, my name is Marc, and this is my desk. You may have noticed our desks have one thing in common: a lot of devices. On Sunday, November 22nd, from 10:45 to 11:45 a.m., we will be hosting a workshop titled Managing Discussions in Online Classes. We will be talking about how to use multiple devices to maximize student-to-student interaction, monitor groups of students effectively, and facilitate students' self-monitoring. Participants will experience a discussion lesson from students' and teachers' points of view, monitoring use of discussion skills in small group interactions. This presentation is recommended especially for teachers with less experience teaching online discussion-based activities. If you'd like to learn more, please join us at JALT 2020. Hope to see you there.